This is part 1 of our WR450 project. This bike is kind of like the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars, a legendary and super fast piece of junk that constantly breaks down, giving you the greatest joy and greatest headaches all at once. When I bought this bike, I had basically no technical knowledge of motorcycles whatsoever and paid a tad too much for the state it was in. Anyways, while working on the bike, we learned quite a lot about mechanics and electronics, so feel free to enjoy our learning process while simultaneously laughing about our stupid mistakes. The project started when the old exhaust fitted to the bike started fucking dying and burning a fat hole into my license plate holder, resulting in me losing my license plate. This wasn't very fun. Being in need of a new exhaust, I ordered the fancy new GPR Slip-on exhaust straight from Italy. The exhaust had a delivery time of 1 month. Wanting to ride nevertheless, we decided to cut down the exhaust to widen the distance between exhaust and license plate. Being the professional I am, I cut off way too much of the exhaust pipe, thus being unable to fit the exhaust onto the bike. So, I decided to order a new front fender and some handguards. The new exhaust arrived. Assembly was easy. Nevertheless, I managed to cut myself on a sharp edge like an idiot. We then replaced the indicators, as one of them has been metaled by the old exhaust, for some new ones that resemble those of an Audi, with integrated rear lighting. We also repainted the covers for the cooling unit in black. While the bike was already disassembled, we fitted an K&N open air filter to the bike, increasing its performance. Now, just enjoy the rewarding sound of an almost fixed and slightly battered bike with a brand new exhaust.